there's so much knowledge that lives in people's head, and then there's so much knowledge that also could potentially live on random pieces of paper. And so building, it's one thing to know what to do, it's another thing to know how to teach it. And then it's another thing to make sure that the person understands it and then can go do it themselves. So there's a lot of moving pieces when you're learning, of course. So the great thing about know-how is going back to the simplified UI, not just as you're searching for content, but as you're writing content, it takes away that dread, like that anxiety when you think about writing something net new and thinking, okay, well, let me work on how should this start? What's the outline? Where does this live? Should this be a PDF? Is this a PowerPoint? Do I need to make a video? And then if you don't enjoy writing, and let's say you're more of a doer, or there are certain pieces that maybe you struggle with, you'll really stuck. So whether you're the franchisor or franchisee, it doesn't really matter. Everyone kind of hits those walls. So the nice thing about know-how is it almost levels the playing field in a bit, where as long as you know what you want to communicate, it makes it so much easier to create content that people can actually consume and use. So I feel like that is just huge, especially when you think about a wide range of people on your team, whether they're extremely tenured but aren't as comfortable with technology, or maybe they don't have as much experience, but they have a great way of organizing knowledge. So it really does help get those gears moving so that you don't get stuck in that initial period of, okay, how do we even get started?